Welcome to Framework Fortune. We're getting halted. That's what I'm talking about. Show me the frisk. This is a learning experience where this is not what you do. You don't do this. Learn from this mistake.
Very little selling right there, and then you started getting a whole lot more buying, and you got this nice rip. So that is the price action
Old
that you're
resistance.
looking at. This line was resistance back through here, can turn into new support.
So confrontational in the moment, right? Like your adrenaline is so there.
Is going to be huge. This is why it was knocked down in the 1940s.
Look at the casino as a business.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that they're going to go in there and they're going to lose.
There's definitely room for more than one cryptocurrency.
So hurry up and get this offer now, because if you don't, you're dumber than a beaver in a badger hole. Yay! Join me on my journey. Start building the framework for your financial freedom today. And we just got halted. All right, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful little breakout play. This thing just ripped $35.